create. Let's make a Rustfinity directory here, and then that'll give us a starting point. I'm thinking what I would like to do is just do one or two of the Rust fundamentals to see how it goes, and then we can dive into Advent of Rust. Because I'm not sure about this browser-based situation we've got ourselves in here. Let's just try it out. Join the Discord. Description, results, submissions. Okay, so it's leak code-ish. Oh, they just tell you the the solutions. They just splat the solution right there. Okay, well, I'd like to believe it's something I would have been able to come up with on my own without having looked at the solution. It's convention to start learning with Hello World. You have to learn. You have to start with macro. That's the one. People say Rust has a steep learning curve. Well, I mean, in order to print something, you have to know what a macro is, right? Okay, so we just have to print hello world. So I guess we just code in the browser here. There's a little Vim toggle. So at least I have Vim. I can use. Yeah, I can use Vim. Okay, println. Oops, bang. There we go. It's got to look like that, right? Okay. Escape. Yeah, I mean, it seems like it's behaving like Vim. I'm missing things like my LSP. If I hit Shift K, it doesn't pop up my thing. Can I? Oops, I didn't mean to do that. Yeah, I can. So it looks like all of Vim is, or most of Vim is there. What is result? Test compiles, test hello world. I'm clicking on them. What am I supposed to do? Oh, am I supposed to click the run down here? Run the code. I got it. Reset the code. So if I hit that. Oh, okay. So if I hit undo. Looks like I messed things up here. Semicolon. Can I hit :W? No. If I hit run. Oh, I see. These weren't clicky things that we had to click on. All right, and then we get the Rust compiler's output here. All right. One of the things that the Rustlings, no submissions yet. Oh, I have to submit my solution. Is that this button here? Submit the code. Okay, I submitted it. It's spinning. Took 352.87 milliseconds. Very, very precise. 88 kilobytes to print out Hello World. Next challenge and share on X. All right. If I click on solution, do I see mine? I do. Why is this yellow then? I mean, this is all this is, right? Is there a way I can improve the runtime? You can make it go faster somehow? There's not much you can do here. What does expand to do? Oh, it just shows me the whole thing. Okay. All right. I think I understand. Maybe we do one more. What's this open locally? Oh, okay. Okay, so I can do it here. It's saying Rustfinity CLI. That's the way the what was it? There was another challenge I did where they had a local. So if I say cargo install Rustfinity, right? Yikes! 175 crates it needs to compile. And then I say Rustfinity get challenge declaring variables. Okay. We're learning. Let's do that. Challenge downloaded. Run the following command to get started. CD declaring variables. So we have the full-on thing here. Is there this is not a Git repo. ls-a. Yeah, it's not a Git repo, so we would have to, if we wanted to do it, we would have to set that up ourselves. Oh, I see. Source lib. Okay, to do, implement the function here. Declare a variable name width, declare a variable name height, run the prints values function with the width and the height. Variables, return the multiplication of width and height. I guess I should read the problem here. Provided with the helper function prints values. It takes two parameters, width and height, and prints values. Your task is to call this helper function inside the calculate area and ensure the printed values are correct. Declare variables for width and height. Use print values to display the values of width and height. Return the calculate area of the rectangle by multiplying width and height. Do not modify the prints values function. Okay. So I guess we could do that here. Let width equals, I don't know, does it matter? You just pick a width and height. Click here to reveal hints. Not sure I need hints just yet, but let's do, I don't know. Width is equal, sorry, height is equal to 7, I guess. And then we can say print values width height and return 3 times 7. Nope, width times height. I'm surprised it's not like having it, okay. Implicit return, oh yeah. Okay, so if we do that, it builds cargo clippy. Oh. Yeah, it's good. Okay, so now if I say Rustfinity, oh, I can't tab that. Submit. Oh, and then it pops up a new window. And then I have to log in to run the tests. I did that before. Oh, geez, is this like a new private window or something? Because I'm already signed in. All right, you know what I'll do is I will cat source lib. This is a little frustrating that it works this way, but let's do this. Paste. Run. It passes. Okay. I mean, how does it know that the test worked? I could just be returning a single number. I guess it just has to trust you. I don't know. I'm a little disappointed with the submit function. I'm not going to go to the next challenge. But at least we can develop it locally. I'm going to try one more here, and then I'll try logging in remotely, right? Open locally. So I want this guy here. I guess I can go here. Declare a mutable variable text with the value hello. Paul mutates value with a mutable reference to text. Mutates value, mute text, and then return the value of text as a string, text. Oh, to string. Argument says function is, oh. Okay. I didn't even look at the function signature when I did it. Okay. All right, I'm going to try the submit again. Oh, I have to cd to the mutable variables and then say Rustfinity submit. And what I'll do is I'll go over here on my other screen. I'll click on login, continue with GitHub, and now I have to put in my my passwords and whatnot. Okay. Now I'm logged in. Oops, I hate when it does that. All right. What is going on here? Okay, so this is the code I wrote. I can't click submit. I have to run it first. I guess I want to make sure that the code actually runs. And then I'll click submit. I'll do one more challenge to see if I have to log in again. Open locally. All right, so what's this one here? Define a constant named max size. With the value of 100, make sure it's got a type of I32 and return the value max size from the main function. Okay. Make sure you make the constant public using the pub keyword. Why? Okay. I mean, I can do that. I can submit. Okay, so it reused the same window, but it opened up a new tab. Wow. It's awkward to use. It would be nice if you could do Rustfinity submit, and then it would, instead of popping up on a window and whatnot, it would just compile it and all that kind of stuff. But I guess then you'd have to log in from here. All right. So we did 3 or 4. Is this the 4th one I did? Yeah, I did 4. Okay. Let's quit out of this. That's frustrating. That's frustrating to use, which is unfortunate because this seems like a good declaring. If I hit refresh here, it should, yeah, now all 4 of them. Okay. Let's see advent of Rust. Maybe it'll be more interesting. And less fiddly. All right. Yeah, I guess we just start with day 1. I don't know why there's a little thing. I don't know. Maybe some text shows up once you've completed it. Oh, wait a minute. This does not have open locally. Does that mean I have to use? That's going to be a little frustrating. All right, well, let's try a couple and see how it goes, and then if I get annoyed, maybe we switch to something else. All right. Advent of Rust 2024 day 1. It's December 1st, and Santa has finally agreed to modernize the North Pole's tech stack. The elves are buzzing with excitement. It was time to say goodbye to decades of duct tape, Python scripts, and Java relics. Bernard had convinced Santa that Rust was the way forward. Fast, memory safe, and perfect for gift logistics. What could go wrong? But Santa wasn't buying it yet. Rust? You? Don't make me laugh, Bernard, Santa said, leaning back in his chair. You couldn't write a Rust program if your life depended on it. Heck, I bet you can't even print Hello World without the compiler screaming at you. This doesn't sound like Santa. Bernard adjusted his elf-sized glasses, his cheeks glowing redder than Rudolph's nose. I can do, Santa. Santa crossed his arms. All right, Hotshot, have a look at the backlog. There's a function that needs to print a message to console. Let's see if you can do it in Rust. So this is identical to... Oh, it's almost identical. I have to say message : message. Okay. All right, println message. Okay, so I have to use it here. It passes. I submit. It runs. I'm going to go back. Okay. All right, I got a little check mark here saying I finished that one. That's one step up from Codacy, where they don't bother telling you which ones you've done. Hopefully they'll change that in the future. Although this is still kind of like a